Talofa from Tuvalu. I'm Deuliala Manuela Morris, and I'm the country manager for Learn Tuvalu. Learn Tuvalu is one of the 12 offices of Learn in the Southeast Asia and the Pacific region. Learn mission is to educate, mobilize communities, and also facilitate supportive partnerships in order to create a better understanding of sustainability and also to assist our communities to move towards a more sustainable future.
This book is the first ever international cookbook for Tuvalu, and it is called Tapa Aka Tou Alo, which literally translates as "Come and have something to eat." There are 52 recipes in this book collected from within the 8 island communities of Tuvalu, all of whom were so eager to show us how to prepare the traditional dishes they were each renowned for. The Tapa Aka Tou Alo cookbook is part of Learn Tuvalu Food Futures project funded under Australian aid, which aims to strengthen our traditional food system in light of the devastating impact of climate change on our food crops.
Paunis to katas tamay kinig ite umang kay tausang ngoni ko teka kamatamay ngalo itilwa fespolu ataw tawla tani pokoy ni fen nga taw laski tin matay ngo pulakan te vaute tausang ngai fokitu te pokote meten itisi pen te la nembate katolo aba ini ta te laski te ngalo nga te fai ko te me ke te toki te fakaola te vaute chino de ni katiko te chino ni laski le te pokoti anga te umanga te moto fenua ko ni
I te vai tau whainga tā tēnei ma tēne tā tau pokotianga pa te whamafu o mai ne tō fulfuli o tau asu te ui te whainga tā te o langa i aso mua ai nea ola tautua mai i loa ma poto o nei e tusi roto i te tusi kūka te.
We also hope this cookbook will encourage more Tuvaluans to go back to growing their own crops using the food cubes with a wicking system that we are helping island communities here in Tuvalu to use effectively. Hope this book, the Tapa Aka Tou Alo cookbook, could positively impact the lives of Tuvaluans both in the short and long term.